Hi everyone, I wanted to make a quick video for you and teach you a little bit of math concepts. So I'm continuing on from last week. Last week I made a video for you guys about the properties. And this week I thought we would talk about rational numbers, irrational numbers, real numbers, and integers. Because sometimes they will ask you questions on the test about what's irrational, which of the following are rational numbers, select all that apply, or which of the following are irrational numbers. So a rational number can be expressed as a fraction or a quotient. So like 1 divided by 2, 1/2. Okay. The denominator, the bottom number cannot be equal to 0. Okay. So all integers are rational numbers, and integers are whole numbers. Okay, positive and negative. So rational numbers could be positive or negative whole numbers. They could be anything represented as a fraction or a quotient. Okay. If they're decimal, they will always either terminate, that means they'll end, or they'll repeat. So again, a rational number is any integer, positive or negative, or anything that can be represented as a fraction or a quotient. So terminating decimals or repeating decimals. Those are all rational numbers. Next, think of the word ratio. Ratio is kind of like a fraction, right? 1 to 2 is 1 divided by 2. Irrational numbers cannot be represented as a simple fraction or a ratio of two integers. They will not have repeating decimals or terminal decimals. Irrational numbers have decimals that do not end and do not repeat. So an example of an irrational number would be like pi. The square root of a lot of numbers are also irrational numbers. They'll keep going on forever and ever, and they won't repeat. Okay, so those are irrational numbers. Real numbers are any value that can be represented on a number line, including both rational and irrational numbers. So the whole spectrum of numbers that can be represented on a number line. And then integers are numbers that are not fractions and do not include decimals. They can be positive or negative. So those are the different types of numbers that you need to know about for the test. And play around with it and see if you take some quizzes. My courses have quizzes. You can take my quizzes. You can take other quizzes on like Khan Academy and check your knowledge. Take the Release Star tests. Those are good practice too. If you're interested, I'm offering weekly tutoring and access to my math course for only $29 a week, which is a great value because private tutoring is at least $75 an hour. So it's a great way to get extra help that you need. And right now the class size is really small. So it'll be almost like getting one-on-one help because it's going to be a really small group at the beginning. So you'll be able to ask any questions you have and get access to my courses, which have videos, and my math course with the tutoring even comes with a quiz at the end of each competency. So it's a great value, and I hope to help you. So keep up the good work studying, and hopefully we'll talk soon. Thanks.